Hi, my name is Susan with Boswelia Beauty. I'm a licensed esthetician as well as a wellness advocate. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own anti-aging facial scrub and treatment that you can do every single week in the privacy of your own home and save a lot of money. This is an anti-aging recipe that's going to help to stimulate collagen in your skin to help firm and tone your skin. It has brightening agents in it as well as humectants to help hydrate your skin. It's going to slough off all those dead skin cells so that all of your other facial products work a lot better, so stay tuned. All right, so let's get started. With this anti-aging facial scrub and treatment, it only requires 3 ingredients. They're all powerful, but when you put it all together, it really makes for a great treatment. And it's super easy and it's very affordable in terms of doing this yourself and having really good quality products versus going to the store and spending a lot of money for one little jar or tube. And it's got a lot of fillers in it. It's pure, no fillers, no preservative, potent ingredients, so it's really good. The first ingredient that I'm going to talk about today is our Bazwillya. It's an organic Bazwillya powder. Now this is known for, people actually use this internally as well. It's known for helping with inflammation. It's a great anti-inflammatory. So people with joint issues or pain issues actually consume Boswelia internally through capsules or through making a tea. If you're thinking about doing that though, make sure you check with your doctor first, particularly if you have any kind of health issues going on. Because even though it's a natural botanical, it can still have contraindications if you have different medical issues. So make sure you check with your doctor first about that. But for today's purposes, we're going to be talking about how to use it topically in this facial scrub. So in terms of skincare, if you go to the store, particularly if you're looking at high-end skincare products, you will find on the back of the label that Boswelia or frankincense is often mentioned because it's been recognized for anti-aging. Boswelia helps with stimulating collagen in the skin, which of course we know as we age, by the time we hit our 20s, we're losing anywhere between 1% to 2% of collagen each and every year. So a decade goes by, you've lost anywhere from 10 to 20% of your collagen each decade, and that continues to happen decade after decade. So this is just a way that you can use a topical treatment to help stimulate that collagen synthesis. And make sure you check down in this description for my #1 recommendation actually for stimulating collagen and anti-aging. This is a great way to use it in your scrub to not only help slough off the dead skin cells, but you're also giving and feeding your skin those anti-aging properties to help stimulate the collagen. Boswelia is also known to help with photoaging and environmental damage to the skin, so it's going to have a brightening effect. It also helps to soften the skin. And this is going to be actually the base of our scrub that gives it that manual exfoliation to help slough off the dead skin cells. By the way, this particular recipe that I'm giving to you today is really recommended more for normal to combination skin types. I would not recommend this for a sensitive skin type because it's very active on the skin and I think it will be a little too much. But if you have normal, combination, or dry skin, then you should be fine. All right, so that's the first ingredient. The second one that I'm going to talk about is a organic aloe vera. Now, of course, we know how aloe vera is so healing to the skin, particularly when we have a sunburn, right? It helps to bring hydration and healing to the skin. Also, aloe vera has natural salicylic acids, which is a exfoliant. So that's why it's so good for people with sunburns, because it helps to slough off all that dead skin from the sunburn and at the same time bring healing and regeneration to the skin cells. It's also very hydrating to the skin. It also has been found, if you apply it to hyperpigmentation or brown spots on the skin 4 times a day, or even like when you break out and sometimes those areas that you broke out in hyperpigment and look darker. I read a study where if you apply this 4 times a day on those areas, you will eventually see a lightening of those areas. But make sure if you're ever trying to treat hyperpigmentation that you are always wearing a sunscreen. If you don't, then you're pretty much contradicting anything that you try to do to help it. You have to do both at the same time. Wear your sunscreen every day anyway, because it's going to help with anti-aging, but particularly if you're trying to treat hyperpigmentation. And our third ingredient that I'm going to talk about is raw wild honey. If you can use a raw honey, it's better because it actually has more antioxidants in it with raw honey, but any honey will do. People with acne actually found applying a little bit of honey on their skin has antimicrobial agents in it to help fight the bacteria, and it's also an anti-inflammatory. The other great thing about honey is the sugars in the honey actually act as humectants to draw moisture and water to the skin. So it's great for plumping the skin and hydrating the skin. And they found even when you rinse it off, your skin is still holding that moisture. So those are the three ingredients to this facial scrub. It's a really great anti-aging, hydrating, brightening scrub and treatment. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first of all, we're going to take 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the Bazwillya powder, okay? There we go. Super easy. This is really easy, and this is so much more affordable, guys, than going out and buying $20 to $30 exfoliant, where you can get a whole big bag of this Bazwillya powder, the honey and your aloe, and make a ton of it for a long time. And so being that this is all pure and natural and there's no preservatives, I make this in very small batches. And next, I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of the aloe vera in this. Okay. And next, we're going to be using a tablespoon of the honey. All right. And then we'll just take a spoon and give that a good mix. And I'll show you kind of the consistency of this. Just mix it all together. Now you might find there might be a few little lumps with the Bazwillya powder, but that's fine. Just, you know, break up those little lumps in there. And that's it. It's so easy, guys. It's very fragrant. The Boswelia has a very fragrant smell. That's another reason why I would not recommend it for sensitive skin. And it's very active. You're going to feel this working on your skin as well. Okay, and then what I do is I store this in the refrigerator. This will give you 2 to 3 treatments in this mixture that I made. I always apply it not only to my face, but to my neck and my décolleté as well. But you can do it just on the face if that's what you want. But I like to do all 3 at the same time. Why not, right? So there you go. That is it. It's so easy. Now, let me tell you how you're going to do this. You want to first wash your skin, and you're going to apply this to clean, dry skin. Take about a tablespoon of it, and you're going to work it in circular motions all over your face, your neck, circular motions in your neck, and circular motions on your décolleté area. And you're going to do this circular massaging motion for about 1 to 2 minutes, all right? And then just leave it on your skin for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can just jump in the shower. It's a little messy, so you can either just be over the sink and splash it off, or, you know, if you're gonna take a shower anyway, jump in the shower and rinse it off in there. Well, that's it. You're gonna get a beautiful glow with this treatment. It's gonna slough off all those dead skin cells, make your pores nice and clear and clean, as well as help all of your skincare products now work even better. And at the same time that it's sloughing off the dead skin, it's stimulating the collagen, bringing hydration to your skin, brightening your skin. So it is a really powerful treatment. Well, that's it for today. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you would hit the like and share button, and make sure you hit the bell when you subscribe so that you'll get notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day.